Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display different footer for different user role in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page and then you see footer. So we are going to display or write footer for different user role. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So currently we have one footer. So we are going to create more footer. Now in search plugin, write visibility logic for Elementor. So this is plugin visibility logic for Elementor we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, go to Elementor page. Now you see edit with Elementor and then you see Elementor footer. So open it. So we are going to create more footer and then we are going to display footer for different user role like admin, author, editor, logout user, login user. So it's up to you. So this is our first footer. So we are going to duplicate it. So this is our second footer. Now click on edit container. So we are going to change some styling. So click on style. We are going to change background color. Now you see and then click on publish first. So now we have two footer. So we are going to display different footer for different user role. Now you see first footer. So click on edit container. On left side you see visibility option, so click on it. Now you see enable visibility logic, enable this option and then you see show hide action, you see drop down hide and show. So this footer we are going to display for login user, admin, editor, author. Now select show and then you see user role, so click on it, enable this option, roles. Now select login user, admin, editor, author, contributor. So this footer display for this user role and hide for remaining. Now you see another footer. So click on it, edit container. So we are in visibility and then you see enable visibility logic, enable this option. Now in second footer we select show and then you see user role. Now select enable. So we select 5 user role in first footer. In second footer we select same login user, admin. Now you see same user role we select here, but we select hide. For this footer we select show. So this footer display for these and this footer display for remaining role like subscriber, customer, guest, shop manager, grade 7 and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to Elementor page and refresh the page. So we are in login user, admin. Now you see footer. Now copy this, open. Now we are logout user and then scroll down you see different footer for logout user, subscriber. So you can select user role for different footer according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.